January 21. Here we've got Timbo's HG Holden with a sectional joint on it. Front part of this body was toast because it'd been crashed. Had some major damage on the A-pillar, on the firewall and across the floor and the firewall join. So we cut it off. This is the donor bit. We're going to sectional join at the factory joins that piece to that piece. This around the corner here, that's the old piece. It's smashed up. Harper Dart. van was in a rather full-on head-on collision, and whoever repaired it in the old school days made a big mess of it. So we had to source another complete firewall front end or another panel van shell. We did a sectional repair. We took the front off the good one and put it on this good back half of this van. Done the doors, their door skins replacement. They were 5mm too big, so that they've been shortened down to make them fit properly. Also done the full internals on the doors. Done these door edges, the base plates here, all been replaced. Done inside the door frames. It's had new floors in the whole vehicle. We removed the inside internal bars to make repairs to the windowless section. This had windows cut in it when we got it. It's had them replaced, those sections replaced, and around this edge here. This quarter panel was majorly damaged. It was crushed from a tree accident, a spin out accident in the wheel arch. The wheel arches have been removed and the quarter panel straightened back out again to a reasonable situation where the filler process can take place. Halfway through the process of the rear tailgate section, we need to try and source a beaver panel for it. As you can see, the beaver panel's missing. We can't do anything with the one we've got, it's just too far gone. So we're just waiting to source a decent second-hand Dana beaver panel. Tailgate's been done. It's had new rails put in the bottom there to hold the rubber seal. TIG weld repair, rust on the corner. This quarter panel was especially bad. It had a big MIG weld join through here, chased up into there, and then a big MIG weld join cut down through to the filler cap, and then down to the wheel arch. All those bottom sections were rusted out as well. So that's a Dana quarter panel that came off the same vehicle that the front came off. We've done a sectional repair through here to replace that section of that panel because it was really bad on the other one. You can see the joins in the sill here where the old new front end's been joined on to the old back section. This has been a replacement panel that we made up for the floor. New door skin on the left hand side as well, and we had to shorten that one as well because the edge gaps weren't any good at all. They're overlapping. Now you can see they're okay. So this edge has been trimmed by 5mm. There's a couple of little sill repairs. We did replacements of the bottom end here through this section here, and also on the inside. It's had a spare wheel delete panel put in the driver's side. Normally these have the spare wheel carrier that the sedan used to have, or does have. So this section's been done through here, and that's the spare wheel delete. So it looks identical to the other side now. Of course, the spare wheel on these is carried up in front of the fuel tank there. Had to do a sectional repair on this entrance for the subframe to mount to. It was all corroded and rusted out, so we changed that one over, and that's been welded in around this section here. It's had the cowl panel done. Of course they always rust out through the bottom section here, so it's had all new pieces TIG welded into there. We've done the roof sections. We've made new drip rail sections for it. A couple of patches in the top there, all TIG welded in. So the sectional join is done on the factory joins. Joined up in there, inside the roof, where the sun visor normally sits. It's all been new section joined in there, exactly where the factory joins the car when they build it. It's been joined across the floor here, on the factory join as well. That overlaps and comes back into here underneath the car. And again, it's all been joined through there as well underneath. Put the 4-speed sectional floor section in, factory section. All in all, this car is now very tidy and not a skerrick of corrosion or rust anywhere. That's the replacement panel. It's been totally removed, replaced with a data panel. You see the window repair on this side. That's where the join is. TIG welded. Minimal amount of filler to bring it up to paint grade. Anyhow, that's this stage over. We'll start on the front end now.